Hey Dre, Volkswagen takes some 12 points of oil.
Look at your feet.
I think it's good. Okay, maybe it's not.
All right. Is she gonna fit? Man, I'm telling you, I'm fine. I did not use too much brake clean. I might have used too much brake clean.
Pursuit of the century is about to go down.
Oh!
Che, Miguel, mira cómo desarma el turco ahora. ¡Fuera!
Well, I can honestly say I've never seen that before. Homeboy must not have heat, so he lit a fire in his truck to defrost his windshield at the gas pump.
We've been trying to contact you regarding your car's extended warranty.
All right, Luby, show me how those work. Uh-huh.
Is that the wrong one?
No, lefty loosey. You get it. You can do it. Is that a good tool?
It works.
Customers complaining they don't have any power steering, but I don't see a problem. Looks like the power steering works fine.
Yo, what? What a start to the day. Hyundais are so good, even the possums are trying to get in them. Yo. No, he's not sleeping. He's ready to kill us. Look at the mansion he made.
He said, can you close the door to my room?
Yo, that's not even a nest. That's a mansion, bro. That's more comfy than I'm gonna sleep tonight.
As you can see, this 2020 Subaru Ascent has the electronic parking brake shown here. This mechanism.
So Mom, drive your car really quick. Okay. So your car's, how many RPMs when it's idling?
0.
No, it should be like 1,000.
There's no reason it's not going anywhere.
Yeah, but you should have RPMs.
No, it's a big engine.
Before we continue, don't forget to hit the like button.
And on today's episode of What is in the Oil Pan of My Subaru Engine, let us find out. Oh, candy! This is typical that's a piston ring. This is typical of a Subaru motor. That's a big piece. Yeah, very good. Oh, hang on, let's get a handful of it, people. Oh, yes. Oh my goodness! Wow! So yummy.
Chain. By the way, the chain is keeping up the exhaust. Cut O2 sensor. There's the wires. Toyota. Got a 90-degree angle here. Goes into a 45. Then we're on to the chimney. I don't even understand this. I mean, like, how's it not leaking out? I mean, no way to keep that sealed. Up and over the cross member. Then we come over here to the Chrysler. Make it even better. It's a Nissan. Man,
My Snap-on guy is so nice, he gave me the new hammer for free. I just had to this $180 foam piece to put the hammer in.
New keys, new lock.
Let's see if we got some pain. Oh yeah, we're good.
Great job, customer.
Temperature is good. Oil pressure. Oh, it works. Never mind.
I would never believe someone told me this happened if it didn't just happen to me. Socket fell off the wrench and went through the spark plug hole into the cylinder. Just put a head on this car. You've got to be kidding me.
This Dodge Ram 1500 came in due to a transmission problem. The technician discovered a rebar cage welded to the car to prevent catalytic converter theft.
Now, I've seen a little bit of rally car headlights before. This is over the top. I'm digging that. Chevy Silverado headlights, and I don't know if that's a Mopar. It's like a neon. Pretty cool though.
Huh. Why? Why? Why?
Look at that.
Here we go.
Holy shit, that's under pressure, man.
Oh my god.
Rodrigo, olha só, olha o motor. Aí, ó. Olha o problema que deu aí, ó. Ó, o motor tá sequinho, ó. Todo bem feitinho. Mas olha o que aconteceu com o óleo aí, ó. Viu? O que aconteceu com o óleo? Virou uma cola.
This is one hand. One hand. And back to the right. Back to the left.
Alright, let me get this right. I have no oil pressure. My battery's on par with Iron Man's arc reactor. There's maybe a drop of fuel in the tank. And my engine is as hot as the Sahara Desert. Oh, also I have no RPM. With all that being said, she still runs like a champion.
Oh.
Oh. Oh.
Wait till you see these brake lines. It's crazy. Oh my God. Yeah, buddy, looks like I'm replacing brake lines today. Fun day. Yes. All the brake lines going from the front to the back. Good day.
You see these slots here? These are what we call poverty buttons. These are options that you didn't get because you're poor.
You might not think it's a big deal to wash all this mud out of your wheels until it sands down your calipers. Here's the other side that's not as bad. You can still see the Subaru logo and this 12B right there.
Whoa. What a shot! What a clean shot up in there. Missed the wheel, missed everything. Missed the subframe. Straight in the oil pan. What a shot! As you can see here, it yeeted the pickup, so loss of oil pressure. There's your little winder. The shield took the hit. And it doesn't look like anything in here got dinged by it. Looks like the shield took all the hit right there.
Hey, you might want to get that checked out there, pal. Might need a little rotating balance or something, huh? You want to take it to the shop?
Parker, a mobile mechanic, received a call from this customer because he couldn't jumpstart his car. You'll be amazed why.
Isn't it supposed to be black on red and red on black? What'd you say? These things here, because that's what my charger tells me to do. Put the black on the red and the red on the black.
Oh,
brand new, and customer says he can't put it on a car, so it's defective. So I wonder what the hell could be wrong with the car. It's got to be an idiot. He can't put it on a car. Why not? Whoops. I guess it's defective.
Customer states there's a clunking, squeaking noise in the front end.
Whoa!
Well, that's like at least a gallon of coolant so far.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, there's some oil.
This wife is pranking her husband by adding oil under his newly built project car.
Mark, I don't know, Jalapenos. DeVita. Oh, now it smells like burning now.
What is that, bro? Something's about to blow up.
Would you shut up? I'm recording. What? No, he's not recording this about.
Video of the tire.
The technician performed an oil change on this Camaro and let the car run for 2 minutes. When he backed up the car from the lift, he noticed that all the oil drained onto the shop floor. The mishap occurred when he forgot to remove the old oil gasket filter O-ring, and the engine ran with a double O-ring gasket in place.
Oh.
Here's why you don't heat a stuck caliper slide pin.
Welding?
Oh yeah, bro.
Oh, bro, what do you got there?
I don't know. We're just gonna.
Obstruction? Oh, that looks like
Oh.
Fuck, that was
Oh.
my bad.
Alright, so this exhaust wheel shot off that turbo, went to this flower pot, messed that up, just absolutely destroyed this exhaust. Came around, messed up this cooling tube, missed that fire suppression line, it touched it. You can see where it touched it. If that would have cut that, man, this would have been full of crap. That would really suck, messed that fitting up. And then I found it down there by the frame. Also kind of messed up the hood. But yeah, that's gnarly.
Customer states having hard time accelerating. You don't say. That's nuts.
Customer states battery has to be jumped.
On today's Wheel of Fortune. CV axle!
Yeah.
And that's it for today's video. This marks our final upload for 2023. Happy New Year, everyone.